Hi everyone, my name is iiqrah and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be unboxing and testing a refurbished iPhone 14 Pro from a company called Mozillion. Am I saying that correctly? Mozillion. Just so we are on the same page, a refurbished phone is not like your normal second-hand used phone. My first experience of buying a refurbished electronic product was when I bought this MacBook Air a couple of years back. But this was from the official Apple refurbished store that I've only seen in the US and UK. I may be wrong. But the fact that this laptop has worked fine as expected and the fact that I got better specs for a cheaper price gave me the confidence into buying more refurbished products in the future. Which brings us to today, when I am holding a refurbished phone, 256GB iPhone 14 Pro that I bought for £969 from this provider called Mozillion. Looking at the website now, I would have had to pay £1,209 for the same specs if I got it brand new from the Apple store. The main difference this time is that this is from a company called Mozillion and not the official Apple refurbished store. So I was a little nervous, but the Trustpilot reviews, customer support, and also the website overall gave me enough confidence to place my order. Not sponsored, but some other great things about Mozillion that helped me build that trust is that they offer 24 months guarantee, inspect and factory reset all the phones that are sent over to them by the seller. And in my case, it was also next day delivery without any extra charges. So I placed the order yesterday and it arrived today afternoon. And again, I was a bit nervous, excited to see if they've actually sent an iPhone over to me. So I pretty much just ripped open the package right away just to see if there's an iPhone inside. And so far, it does look like it's an iPhone. So I decided to set up the camera and record my first impressions of unboxing this. It does look like the official Apple iPhone box. It's obviously not sealed and easily opens up. Other than that, it also has an SKU number. It says Apple iPhone 14 Pro 256GB. I don't know if they send a charger with it or not. It's been a long time since I've used it. Oh my god, this is the phone. I mean, is it purple? Yeah, it's this deep blue purple that looks grayish on camera. And look at that camera. What the heck? It's so bulky. Compared to my phone right now, this is bulky. I don't know. Like the last time I held an iPhone, which was iPhone 6, that was unfortunately stolen twice here in the UK. Yeah, I don't know. I don't remember it being this heavy. Oh, they also have this cover. This is the worst. Wow, look at that. It says something. Wait, it says hello. Oh, you see my phone in there. Look at that. Okay, so far so good. It already comes charged. I guess I'll swipe and choose English. I am in the UK. Yeah, so far, again, I don't know if you can see, but it looks pretty good. Very well made. Let me see if there's any scratches and things. Not really. I do see some finger marks, but that's normal. I don't really care as long as the screen is not broken. And so far, really good. You can actually see how my camera is set up. That's so cool. Quick start, set up manually. Sure, I'll set up manually. Oh, Wi-Fi connection. Oh my god, that's gonna take so much time. Okay, fine. I'm just gonna set up this phone really quick. Oh, also, completely forgot, but it comes with wires. Oh wait, it doesn't have a headphone jack, right? Oh gosh, yeah, it just has this one USB-C port. It was high time I upgrade to these modern phones that don't have a headphone jack. But yeah, I think I'll survive. And it has these 3 buttons on the side. What else? This power button. And I think, as far as I remember, Face ID. And do they have a fingerprint thumb? I don't know. I don't know much about iPhones lately since I've stopped using them. So it's going to be interesting to go back to using an iPhone. Let's see how that goes. But they've also given this charging wire and pretty much that. So it just comes with a charging wire and the phone itself, not the adapter. So I'll have to buy that, I think. Or can I use my MacBook charger? I don't know, I'll have to figure that out. Other than that, you also get this, which is the guides, the regular Apple stickers that you get. It also comes with this SIM pin. I will be very interested to check out the camera quality, all of that. I've never made a phone review video, so I don't know what all to mention. So this is probably the last time I will be filming on my OnePlus 6 that I've had for almost 4 years now. So it was high time I get a new phone. Hopefully next video will be filmed on my iPhone 14 Pro. If you're excited, please hit the subscribe button and let me know if there's a difference in quality. Do check out Mozillion if you are planning to buy or sell your phones, or even just the Apple official refurbished website if that's available in your country. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever bought a refurbished item and what your experience has been like. I'm definitely excited to use my refurbished iPhone 14 Pro. Don't forget to smash, ouch, don't forget to smash that like button. That's all. Okay, bye. Click here if you'd like to see my self-published gratitude journal, my first impressions, or click here if you'd like to watch me try digital art for the first time.
Also, thank you to my Patreon supporters, Param and George. Thank you.